Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. It's about what this our brother said, and I want you to really watch the video to the end. If you watch it to the end, you are going to see a lot of things that surprise you. Hence, you still need to check on him on his page at Autopilot Home Media. In fact, go and be updated. There is the right place for you. It's not that I brought this update here or I brought this video here for you to follow up and get some little idea about what is happening. Hence, I choose to bring the little clip. So do well to check on him on Autopilot Home Media, where you can get all the updates. So listen to him and I'll be right back.
Of course, most of people know. As you can see, there's something I say that a lot is happening. Of course, every one of you people knows there's many things happening. Even in the camp of our enemies, a lot is happening. But first of all, let me start by saying something that is very, very important. Very, very important. I want to say a very big thank you to General Coordinator in Ghana, the autopiloted IPOB's General Coordinator in Ghana. I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you people, from the general coordinator to the zone coordinator to all appointed armies. I want to say a very big thank you for every one of you people who make it to the last Sunday meeting. Unfortunately, I was very busy, which means the video I'm doing right now, I should have do this after a meeting, last week meeting Sunday. But unfortunately, I was so much busy and I went to do that before before I goes to the main reason why I'm here. But first of all, I'm appreciating every one of you people, all the autopiloted IPOB in Ghana, the wise, the whiter than snow, who stand for Biafra liberation, who always be there to speak for Biafra, even when nobody is there to speak for Biafra. I appreciate every one of you people who always defend Biafra in all means, who have always defend Biafra from the right time to where we are today. I appreciate every one of you people, and my appreciation goes to every single autopiloted IPOB who have stand very firmly speaking for Biafra, even when the enemies they stand against Biafra. You are still there defending Biafra in all costs. I appreciate you, and I say, may Chukwuka bless you, stand firmly, stand with you, support you to do more, because it's not easy. So, thank you guys for your wonderful deed, and I wish every single autopiloted IPOB will stand firmly to do more. God bless you. So, like I said, a lot is happening in Biafra struggle. You know, when I always said, or whenever I said, the truth is very difficult. Most people don't understand what I mean. You see, truth is one thing that is very difficult. It's very difficult. Most difficult things you ever in your life know, or you have known but you don't know, is truth. Truth is very difficult. It's very difficult to hear. It's very difficult to listen to. It's very difficult in all ways of truth. It's very difficult. And that is why people find it as well difficult to abide or to listen to the truth. But do you know one thing? Truth is one of the things that never expire. It never expire. It will only be difficult, and you people will hate it and ignore it. But last, that particular thing you don't want to hear, that particular thing you don't want to listen to, is the last thing you will go around, turn around it, but at the end of the day, you will come back to it. That is exactly what most of us have been telling you from the one. But everybody ignore it, because most of us were not sitting inside the chamber, we're sitting inside a big place or nice place, telling Biafran people to listen and open their eyes to understand what people are playing, or the game, the so-called, where Biafra, where after Mazinamkan, where the next person to take in charge. I told every Biafran people to start from earlier time to understand the game, this so-called after Mazinamkan, where the next people is playing. Understand it and channel your energy to the place of Biafra restoration earlier. But most of you people, you will find it difficult to listen to us to understand what we meant by saying channel your energy the place that you're supposed to channel it. But today, by God's so doing, every one of you people have understand the truth that we were telling you people. You have understand the outcome of it. And that is the reason why you see those people who claim to be there, every single one of them today, they are now running. And remember, the truth is one of the things that will send you where you belong to. Whenever you are worried, in any ways, in any how you bring it, truth is the last thing that will send you where you belong to, because truth knows where you belong to. And that is the only thing that is going to put you the end, or that is going to put you to where you belong to. And as for that reason, you must be truthful in every single thing you are doing. You must stand firmly to speak for Biafra if you are to speak for Biafra. You must stand to do the needful when the needful is needed. And that's the reason why you see everybody today, those who claim to be there, those who claim even there, most of them today, they don't wrong. Even the same people, they are not they are not the one who is coming out to say, I'm no more IPOB member, I'm no more Amadmo Okugo, of course. But these are the people who have who have come out to clapping, making sure that the enemy or upon all the enemies does, but they will still the same people who come out because they have the audience to come and back the enemies, the criminals, those who have been there for years, having nothing, doing nothing for Biafra restoration. Who is the only problem we have in Biafra struggle? Because they're the same people who comes, like I always said, if you want to find the problem we have in Biafra struggle, they are not the enemy. They are not anywhere from outside. They are not enemy from outside, but they're the same people surrounding us. But today, every one of people have come to understand that the same people we were telling you for a long time ago are the same people who are coming out to say otherwise. And today, you have seen the outcome of it. Now, most of you people will be like, oh, what is going on? Most of the so-called social media warriors, they are now changing their mind, or they are now coming to say one thing or the other. And these people, we don't know them of saying this kind or this type of things. But today, you are now seeing it. Like most of you will be so astonished, like you will be surprised. What is going on? Why is these people saying all these things? Why those who claim that the so-called the people at the top, why are they the same people coming out to tell us today that we are not a IPOB member anymore? And for that reason, I'm minding my business. I'm doing. Why is these people doing this today? Because first of all, they never have anything to do with Biafra. Second one, they never have anything good to speak for Biafra. And that was the reason why you see most of them fading away. You see most of them jumping, running around, doing whatever they are doing today, you are seeing today. But mind you, it's not a new thing. All this thing that you're seeing today is something that is written for a long time ago. It will happen. Because if you start anything, what you start it with is what you're going to end with it. Those who start a Biafran struggle with their criminality, of course, they are going to end with criminality. Those who never have anything for Biafra restoration, that is how they are going to end. For most of people seeing those who is coming out today to say, I'm no more Biafran or whatever they call it, IPOB member, whatever you're seeing, they never be there. They are never there for Biafra. Most of them was there for business. And most of them have gotten whatever they have ever needed. So if you see most of them jumping out today, first thing you need to understand that they never have anything for Biafra restoration. They are never called. But they are the business people. You know, in anything that you will see in this world, anything that you will be seeing, there will be those who will come for business. There will be those who will always stand firmly. And you always see them that these are the people doing the needful. But the same people you see doing the needful, you will see some junkies, agent of the enemy of what you are seeing. You will see them coming around to say, this person is not this person is not that. And remember, when Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, was at the top saying whatever he was saying, the same people you see today running around to say we are no more this, Solomon and stuff, they are the same people today that is running, telling you we are no more, we are not doing anything, we are not doing that. That is to tell you how, or the evil, the impunity, or a kind of people you are seeing today who have claimed, oh, we are doing this, we are doing that. They are the same people. But the reason why you see them today running scatter is because first one, no more support. Second one, the truth who have been holding them down is now holding their truth. They don't even know what else to do anymore. Rather, the best thing they know they can do now is to come out and say, I'm no more an IPOB member, like you are seeing so many of them. And mind you, what you are seeing right now, more is yet to come. You will see many of them coming out to say the same thing. You will see many of them who will come out and say the same thing. As you're seeing most of them today running scatter, fighting each other, because you are seeing it. There is fight, or there is the enemy, the camp of the enemy of Biafra. You will see all of them. They will use their mouth, vomit every single thing they have did, and they just started it. And these are the criminals. These are the people who have been there. Now, Solo Hanso, and now Ndo Kamama, Mary Hanka. They are the same people you are seeing today. And mind you, more is yet to come. What I see today, Ima, Onadu, Ihebido, it will get to a certain place. When something starts, it will always go to a certain place. It doesn't end where it starts. And that's the reason why you should expect more. Those of these criminals that we have paid, all these people that they are, now you are hearing, you see now, the same people now, they don't open their nyash. They say this one, they'll give them 30,000 every month to come out, or about 20,000. Then Ojiri 10,000, name one thing or the other. Wait for more. Because all these criminals, all these people that were paid to come out on live, to come and broadcast, to come and support the enemy, because I don't believe that somebody said, I want my freedom. The same people that you are going to get yourself out of, you are now supporting the same people. I mean, the same people is now your champion. The same people are now the one who will give you opinion in anything that any step you take. The same people are now the same people that will tell you what to do next. Without their opinion, you move nowhere. That is who they are. And that's the reason why you see a lot of things that you're seeing today. and more is yet to come. Because all they have did, they will be the one to measure themselves out as they. That is why I always say, you see this Biafran struggle, there's something about it that most people don't understand. First thing you need to understand that the spirit of those who have gone because of this struggle, they will never let it go even. Those who will come out and do their business, even fight against. Because anytime you are fighting against Biafra, anytime you're speaking against Biafra, you are speaking against those who have died for that cause. Anytime you're speaking against this cause of this Biafra restoration, you are fighting against those who are speaking about Biafra, who have as well died for it. And remember, the soul, the spirit of those who have gone after this struggle, who have gone because of this struggle, they will never let you rest. They will always come for you. Because there's nobody who will cook jollof rice and expect beans. It doesn't work that way. And that is the reason why anything you may remain in Biafran struggle, one day you will definitely enjoy it. Because in the case, the way you lie your bed is the way you're going to sleep on it. So don't think that imaging all those stuff you have did, then because you remember, because you chose you will think that it have gone like that. Every single Biafran people knows we have known our enemies. We have known the people who is our enemies, the people who is even fighting against us. It doesn't matter you come out and show your profile, you're a Biafran, you are whatever. We know those who you are. And that's the reason why most of us today, we stand where we stand, saying what we have been saying from day one to where we are today. We never change it. Because I said, if you know what this Biafran struggle is, you don't need to involve yourself. Because it's something that, if you involve yourself without being straightforward, you will end like this young man in South Africa, who will come out shamelessly to say, I'm no more a member. He's not actually saying it because but he's actually saying it because, after you have done a lot against either your people or you have done against something, the best way to get out of it is you will come out and tell the people, or you will come out and say, you are no more part of this. Then people outside will regard you, oh, okay, because of this, maybe this, that, this and that. But that is not what the person means. The person knows very well that he have committed against this, and he has no option. Because there's no way he will come out and say, okay, Biafran people knows that I did this for this reason, I'm so this, and I want people to forgive me. Of course, Biafran people knows. And that's the reason why you see so many of them. Go mark my way, every single person that have did against Biafran stock, especially those in the online, especially these guys you see online that will come and they will give them 30,000, like how they say, because they are the one who is going to open their myansh. When they open it, we will come and analyze it. Every single thing that they are going to do, they will be the one to bring themselves out to Biafran people. And then most of us who have been telling Biafran people they don't want to listen will come and analyze like how it's going on today. All of them, they are going to bring themselves out. They will make sure that all they have did is they will bring it out by themselves. And that's the reason why you are seeing it now. And remember, most of them, there are many of them that you have not seen. The way they have treated this struggle in the name of the half audience, in the name of those who give them money to come and say this, to come and say that, every single thing is going to come out. Because the spirit of these people who have died for the Biafran struggle, they will never leave them free. They will make sure, they will be the one to confess it. You see what is going on today? Who has ever noticed that they pay Prince Darlington 30,000 every month? Who ever knows? Did I know? I don't know. But the one in South Africa have come out and said they give him 30,000. Even describe how he used the money. He said that the one they call Prince Darlington, he uses the 30,000 they give him every month. He used 20,000 and buy fuel. Then he used 10,000 and hold himself. The next thing now you will hear how the one in South Africa, of course, everything will be coming out of them because they have goes against this freedom of innocent Biafrans that have died. They have speak against it. They have as well did against it. They have even come out and even support the so-called the enemy of Biafra. Because I always say it, if you have nothing to offer for a certain thing, don't go. Don't say anything. And that's why I'm always good in anything I can do. Whenever I see something that I have nothing to offer towards it, I will never interfere to it. Because interfering to it simply means you have committed yourself into it. And for that reason why you must make sure that once you don't have something to offer towards, you don't need to go towards or you don't need to interfere to it. And that's the reason why every single person in this Biafra, you see, that have did against this struggle, that have speak against it, that have collected money against it, that have said anything against it, they will definitely pay for it. And the most beautiful part of it is that Biafran people are now wise. They are not the same people you know before. You know, when those time comes, we will come out and give a shout, support the Biafran Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, support every single thing. All of people knows when we are shouting all those things. And all of people knows when we stop shouting because millions of Biafran have come to understand. The ones that still be there are riffraffs, those ones who, in anything, in a family, there's no way everybody brain will be the same. That's why God created every one of us differently.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.